as a part of new initiatives, particularly for our electors who like to keep in touch with the world at all times. Just outside the polling station, there will be a mobile deposit facility so they can deposit their mobile, enter the room, give their vote, come out and collect their mobile and go back. For a good experience for voting, the electronic voting machines will have colored photograph of the candidates and with a larger font so that the electors are able to identify easily the candidate to whom they would like to vote for. For the ease of voting, the Commission had decided that no booth shall have more than 1,200 electors, and the candidate booths can be set up just outside 100 meters of the polling station, and the voter information slips which are being given to each and every elector would be like an invitation to come and vote, with on the right side the booth number clearly and boldly written. As a part of new initiatives during conduct of elections, the erstwhile 40 applications of Election Commission have been merged into one app which is called as ECI Net. Each one of you can load it, with all the polling stations having 100% webcasting. With regards to the polling day, every 2 hours, the presiding officers of every polling station will be uploading the voter turnout data. It is mandatory, as per law, to provide all the polling agents who are present at the close of poll to be given Form 17C, which is the total number of votes polled in that polling station. That shall be given, and the same number should be entered in the voter turnout app. All our booth level officers were given identity cards so that whenever they visit any elector, proper identification is there, and the enhanced honorarium to our electoral staff. I am very happy to say that Tamil Nadu is one of the frontline states who has been able to distribute to them. The new initiative in Tamil Nadu elections would be an upgraded ECI Net app, and as I mentioned earlier, each one of you can load it on your mobile and see the entire process and the entire data and information near to real time and in most exact manner. You can see your candidate, you can see the affidavits which have been filed, you can see which polling station, you can see how many voters, you can see what is the voter turnout, and lastly, you can also see the results on the same application. Amongst the new initiatives taken by the Commission, one major initiative was that the postal ballots will be counted two rounds before the EVM rounds. The index cards and all the statistics which Election Commission puts in public domain shall be published through ECI Net within 72 hours of the close of poll. In case there is a mismatch between Form 17C or EVM, mandatory VVPAT counting shall take place, and even after the counting is over, if any candidate, based on prescribed fee, he can match the EVM with the VVPAT counts within the next 7 days. In order to do this, it is very important to train each and every person who is involved in the election process, and as you would have seen just now, right from training the booth level officers, the booth level agents, and all other staff has been done by the Election Commission, either in the field or in the district headquarters or in the state headquarters or even at the India International Institute for Democracy and Election Management in Delhi.
1,26,00,000 மனங்களை வென்ற தந்தை டிவி யூடியூப் சேனல். தவிர்க்க முடியாத தம்ப்நெயில்ஸ், கலக்கலான கான்டென்ட்ஸ். நீங்களும் இந்த குடும்பத்தில் இணைய இப்பவே சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. அசுரபலம் கொண்ட எங்கள் டிஜிட்டல் கரங்களில் உங்கள் விளம்பரங்களை சேர்க்க வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க. 8939888838. இமெயில் advtv@dttv.in.